Let's get on to chapter 3 of the Nature Inspired Design, and we are now going to be getting you to be the boss. You're controlling things without computers. So how do we control things? It's normally things like remote control and so on. Let's just have a look at our first circuit. We have a battery, we have an LED, we have a resistor. So that should be pretty familiar to you. But what's added in now is something called a transistor. And what magic can this perform? Well, let's have a look. We've got a hand shown here. So we got the same circuit put over this side. Now be aware that the circuit shown on this breadboard here doesn't look exactly like the circuit over here. Sometimes things have to be horizontal instead of vertical. But you can still see it's correct. We've got the plus of the battery goes to the plus of the LED. The minus of the LED goes through a resistor, a few hundred ohms, through the transistor. Then we go to the minus of the battery. And just like before, we can switch on the circuit using the springiness of the clip here. But oh no, fail! It's not working, is it? We've just connected the battery and the LED does not light up. Well, this circuit does show we need to have a hand put in there. So let's put a finger on the plus. So there's a finger on the plus. And a finger on this middle terminal of the transistor. So I've got a wire going there. Let's see what happens. We touch on. Hey, it lights up. Amazing. And you know what? I didn't die in the process. In fact, I can't feel anything. No tingling, nothing at all. You can try this in class and get, say, 20 or more of you to hold hands in a chain, and that will still work. There you are. I can lift off this hand. As soon as I touch that plus side, the LED will light up. If I touch lightly, I can make the LED just change how much it lights up. So this is actually showing that the transistor is turning things on and off. It is controlling how much current goes through this LED. And we can even make it not just a switch on or switch off, which is what we normally do, but we can also make it semi-switch on. Very useful circuit. Now, if you go on a bit further, because we don't want to just keep having to touch a circuit like this, very inconvenient, why not? Let's just put this connection permanently down here, and then what we can do is we can